Warning: before applying air pressure, make sure all line pressure is removed and lines are locked out. Apply air to remove spring tension on normally closed valves. Use caution as the actuator spring has great force. Use a wrench to loosen and remove the body clamp. Remove the complete valve insert from the housing. The air supply can also be removed. Use a wrench and hammer to loosen the threaded connection. Remove the product side stem by hand. Use an awl to remove the seat O-ring. Take caution not to pry or damage the machined groove. If the metal groove is damaged, sand smooth by hand before installing the new O-ring. Clamp the housing cover in a vise to loosen it. Please use only rubber, brass, or aluminum jaws to protect the stainless. Use a spanner wrench in conjunction with the holes provided to loosen the housing cover threaded connection. Remove the housing cover by hand. Remove the outside static O-ring by hand. Push the lip seal out. It can also be easily removed without disassembling the housing cover by using a screwdriver. Remove the static O-ring on the support with an awl. The guide has a split and can be removed with a small screwdriver. Needle nose pliers may also be used.